everyone, welcome to Eye for Makeup. Thanks for joining me today on my channel. Today I want to talk about something that's very true and dear to my heart, an issue that I've experienced ever since I started wearing foundation, and that is how to keep your foundation on for the entire day. So here are my 10 ways to keep my foundation on the entire day, looking flawless with no touch-ups. Number 1, choosing the right formula of foundation for your skin type. If you have oilier skin, it's better to stick to an oil-free formula, whether it's mineral foundation or a powder foundation, because they absorb the excess oil from your skin. If you have drier skin type, then something like a liquid or cream formula will probably be the best, because it'll stop your face from looking cakey at the same time. Number 2, using a primer. Using a primer is like giving your skin a nice canvas for the foundation to go on. It's a little bit like the base coat of a nail polish. You need to apply a base coat so then the actual nail color will glide on smoothly and it'll prolong the wear. So choosing a primer not only helps to prolong the wear, but it also helps you to save the amount of foundation you need to apply on your face. Number 3, apply with a brush or a beauty blender. That's my personal favorite. For brushes, I like to use the kabuki brush, and it really helps to buff in mineral foundation on those hot days, or you can use a flat top kabuki brush for liquid foundations. Tip number 4, use the right amount of product. Do not want to pile on lots of product all at once. You want to build on top of each other until you have the desired coverage. So what I like to do is start with a little bit and apply more and more gradually in the areas where I need more coverage. Tip number 5, keep your skin nicely exfoliated, clean, and moisturized. That will create an even canvas for the primer and then the foundation to go on. And it'll also make your skin nice and smooth, so it diminishes the texture on your skin. Tip number 6, use a finishing powder. Especially if you have liquid or cream foundation, a finishing powder helps to lock in the product and create a nice airbrushed look. One of my favorites is the Coty Airspun Extra Coverage Translucent Powder. For mineral foundation wears, something equivalent to that could be a mineral veil that you apply on top of your mineral foundation. Number 7, use a makeup finishing spray. There are so many of them out there. There are ones for dry skin, one for oily skin, and ones that really prolong the wear of your makeup. I personally prefer a dewy look, so I go for the hydrating, dewy finish that you achieve. My favorite is the CoverFX Hydrating Spray. A cheaper alternative would be the NYX Dewy Finishing Spray. Number 8, use a oil-free and long-lasting makeup. A lot of the foundations out there claim that they wear for 24 hours, 25 hours, and onwards. And I wouldn't say that they actually last that long, but they do last for at least 8 hours for me. 2 of my favorites is the L'Oreal 24-Hour Infallible Foundation, and also the newer Maybelline 24-Hour Wear Foundation. Tip number 9. If you've never tried mineral foundation before, they definitely stay on the skin longer. What I like to do is I use a liquid foundation underneath and then a mineral foundation on top of that. A lot of them have an SPF as well, which is an added benefit. One of my favorite is the Bare Mineral Original Foundation. It's the one that gives you a nice glow to your skin. They also have a matte formula for oily skinned individuals. Last but not least, if you have oily skin, use a moisturizer that has some oil control properties. Last but not least, reduce the amount of oil you have on your skin. Keep the skin as matte as possible by using a matte moisturizer or using a blotting paper throughout the day to blot away all the excess oil from your T-zone. Okay everyone, so those are my 10 steps to prevent the foundation from sliding off your face and allowing you to have flawless skin the entire day. Please like this video if you found any of those tips helpful, and it would also mean a lot to me if you would click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel at Eye for Makeup. Well, thanks everybody. Hope to see all of you next time again. Have a great day.